But Dada, I thought
Bring it here and cut it. Keep it there, yeah. Cut. Yeah. Ulta.
Ooh.
Yes.
Okay, let's put that back here. Okay, let's take this. Now it's your turn. Why did you cut this part? It's so tough.
Is it strong?
It's very high.
Ulta.
Like this.
Yes, yeah.
Oh.
Yes, very good. Yes, yeah. You should have a technique of cutting. Yes.
Oh, look at the pass.
Don't bring it this side. It will spill all everywhere. Which one you are cutting? The bigger one, right?
The big one, yeah. Oh. Let's do it with this one.
Yes, like that. Yes. Lagi.
No. Okay, this one is free. This one is free. Okay, I think this one is not free.
Get it here.
Oh my god, I make crab. This is a crab. So like, oh, that's cool. Oh. I'll do this part.
Yes, yeah. Yes. Now you got that. Now you got the technique of cutting the legs, right?
Okay,
The last one. Then yeah.
this one. Your turn. Da 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 da.
No. Yes.
And now.
Oh my God! You're hurting the crab.
I hope I don't break this right.
Okay.
Oh, my hand is so cold.
Okay. Wash your hand.
Is there any more? Left?
Okay. Keep everything here. Bring everything and keep it here. Yeah, fast. Quick.
I am a crab with its legs is here. Dun, dun, dun. The crab.
Okay. Now you say. What do you want to say?
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Flying Bees. So before we start this video, please like and subscribe. So you saw me cutting the crab here.
Lovely.
I'm gonna walk. You see, I cutted the crab here. The legs are separate like this. Oh, I loved playing with the crabs.
Don't play with the crab. It's not a toy.
I like cutting the
Wash
crab.
properly.
Yes, we wash properly.
Okay. So now we are going to make the crab, huh?
Yes.
Okay,
The
very good.
crab is my favorite, my guy.
Is it? After washing the hands, why did you touch it? What is this?
This is my favorite. Of course I'm supposed to touch it.
No.
Yes.
This is roasting the pepper and jeera.
Crab for me only, okay?
For the crab masala, we have
We have baby onions.
baby onions, mama onions, mother onions, and ginger garlic crust, and chili, tomato. This is jeera and pepper, just roasted and powdered here. Then we got mustard seed. This is masala powder and turmeric. First we have to add some mustard seed. Okay, once it splatters, immediately we will add.
Right?
Okay, once it is splattered, just add ginger and garlic. Okay, and just give a small stir. Okay, and now I will add the green chili. Okay, now I'm going to add all this, what you said? Which
Onions.
Mama onions.
Not mama onions, it's mother onions.
Okay, and the
Baby onions.
together, and let it.
Together it's family onions.
Family onions.
Without father.
Oh yeah, because father is cooking here, no? Okay, now.
You are the onion father or something?
Now I'm going to add a bit of salt, okay?
Of course we are supposed to add salt. Oh my god, that was too much. That was too much.
Okay. Okay, so you need not fry until golden brown. Just maybe 1 or 2 minutes it should be sufficient. This is almost
See now what?
the onion stuff is already almost cooked. Okay, let's add some little 1/4 spoon of what is this?
Turmeric.
Turmeric, and we have 1 spoon of masala powder. Okay, this is meat masala. Okay, and we will add some little pinch of garam masala. One little, because we are going to add at the end once again. And we have here the crust, pepper and jeera. This is half spoon. Okay, guys.
That's 1 spoon, not half spoon.
Half spoon.
How?
Okay, so you should make a note of it. When you become big, you have to cook this for me, because now.
No, I'm not going to cook that for you. I need to learn from Mama.
Oh.
I would rather make my own recipe
You
than
have
that.
your own recipe.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Now it's after 30 or seconds or a minute. After putting this masala, we should not fry it more. Okay, we are just going to add tomatoes. Okay, let's add the tomatoes and let's stir for some time.
Right.
Okay, now the tomatoes is almost cooked. Now let's add your so-called
Crab.
slowly
Blue.
and steadily.
Blue.
Okay.
Blue.
See the color.
Blue and
is
black. Blue and
Now
black.
see the color is blue. Once it
It's
gets cooked, it will
It
turn
is
to
blue
red.
and black.
Okay. Now just mix it slowly. Okay. Oh my crab. So after some time, Eliora is going to eat you. I'm really sad. I feel bad for you, crab.
But I love eating crabs.
Oh my gosh. I'm really sorry, crab. I'm a vegan, but Eliora is non-vegetarian.
You are non-vegetarian also. Eh?
I don't eat crab. I don't love crab, but I do.
I'm gonna put the water.
Now it is mixed properly. Okay, now put the water. Okay, put it here. It's boiled water we are adding. Okay, guys, you should make sure that you add boiled water.
Also, I have to tell your parents about that.
Parents, of course, only the parents are watching this. What do you think? Kids like you are watching this?
Yeah, kids are also watching.
Come on, come on, come on.
Wow, I love it. I love the gravy.
So
It's
keep it in
called-
a
it's also
medium flame
called
now.
It's also called as
Okay, close the lid.
Let's put the lid.
Close the lid
I'm
and
also
keep it
closing
for
this
around 15 minutes. But in between, make sure that you just open the lid and see that it doesn't get burned. Okay, now we are going to open it. Yeah, so it's getting dried. Okay, we'll just keep it for another 2 minutes. It should be ready. Enough? You want this gravy?
Huh?
You want this gravy? Or you don't want gravy?
I want the crab one, gravy.
Not the gravy?
No,
Okay.
but I want the gravy in the crab.
In the crab. Okay. But for you to eat rice, you might need some gravy, right?
You just stick them in. I have the gravy fully crab and rice.
No food is complete without vegetable. Okay.
No,
What do you mean by no?
I don't want a vegetable or vegetable. I
Then-
want non-vegetable.
Then you're not going to get the crab.
I want a crab.
Okay, now our crab is ready, guys. It's time to taste with rice. It goes well with mota rice. This is your crab.
Crab? Oh my
Gosh, crab
god.
is running around. Where is your crab running?
Oh, can I have the gravy in my bowl?
You want the gravy?
In the bowl. Right. We are putting the gravy in a bowl.
There's nothing called as gravy. This is masala. crab masala.
But I like the gravy. But I like calling it gravy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. You want one more?
Yeah, one more crab. Can I have the leg also? I want the leg.
Your leg.
Excuse me. I want the largest leg, biggest leg.
Largest leg. Largest leg. You have to take an elephant leg. Take an elephant leg.
I want the largest crab egg. Let's try.
Try the crab first.
Trying the crab. Okay, which one should I start?
Start with the stomach one because this is difficult for you to cut. It takes a long time.
I love cutting. I like cutting.
Keep it near. Keep the plate near, pata.
It's very hot. It's very hot, right?
Cut it and eat the meat.
Okay, I'm gonna eat the meat. It's very hot. Eating the meat.
Onasagi, blocker.
Yum, yum, yum. I like it.
Show me one piece. Which piece did you take?
This one. I'm gonna dip. Can I dip this in the sauce? Dip it. Oh. Just dip one. I like it.
Like it. Okay then. Guys, thank you for watching. Try this recipe.
Subscribe.
Okay, this
Be
is
healthy, stay safe, live long. Bye.
bye.